What's up, everybody? This Yogi Bear talking about rides, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm up at Priority Automotive and trying to figure out what's up with my car, when will it be available, and see the car back there. I guess I gotta wait my turn. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna hit y'all back.
I go through hell with
No, I'm not.
Don't worry about it. Good morning, D.
Good morning.
Maybe I can.
I see it in the back there.
whatever, just, it's your turn. Your turn. Oh, no, it's not. I'm not my brother.
There go my shit right here. I don't know what they did to it. This box still over there. This is probably my motor right here. Look like it's put together and ready to go back in. I don't know. But that got a throttle body on it. I don't know if that's mine or not.
If I do that, you would have got they wait for me a week before. They don't want to take it.
And that's why like the young man
Hell yeah.
I told my brother yesterday.
Up here at Priority Automotive, trying to see what's up. I'm Yogi Bear talking about rides on YouTube.
But you never said you were going to do it like that. I sat here and listened to him. You said you were never going to do it like that. They said you can't turn the brakes and roll and stuff.
Hell yeah. Oh shit, they got a limo up in this motherfucker?
They only hear what they want to hear. They only hear what they want to hear.
They believe what they want to believe. I mean, I was talking to him yesterday. I told him,
Hell yeah. I gotta just wait my turn, I guess. You gotta talk to his customer that was here first.
I mean, yeah, no. Okay, listen. I've been through that a lot. You can't do that. This is nothing that Okay, just, I'm not sure when. Just keep a couple days on. Okay, thank you so much, man. Have a good day. No problem.
What's up, man?
God bless you too.
What's up, bro? You know,
Hey.
I'm a contenter.
I know, yeah. Good
and
morning.
that's my work.
I know, yes.
What's
How
up
are
with
you?
the car?
Everything is okay. So now we just have to get the crank pulley. The one
Right.
goes on the gear.
Right.
The one he sent me was wrong. So I'm just waiting for him to ship it to me. He said he's gonna ship it here.
Okay.
So today he's gonna be here and just about to put everything back together.
Okay.
I'll be alright. Everything is
That's
okay.
the motor right
I
there?
love it. No, that's another motor for another car.
Oh,
no,
I knew.
Your motor is gonna be nice and shiny and all that.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
That's
But
what's
I'll be
up.
calling you D for sure, okay?
All right, man.
Okay? Thank you.